Do this with an air fryer, and what happens next is so fun. Air fryers. These appliances are now gathering meme status since they became a luxury symbol, even though you can buy one in a supermarket, mall, or even online. During this time of the pandemic, searches about the air fryer and its corresponding memes skyrocketed to the point that it became familiar and sometimes outright corny. But air fryers earned a significant role in our homes today. But what can we do with the air fryer more than just frying our favorite meat or fish without oil? You can learn more here in Brainzone, where we inform and blow minds. You and me. Just like and subscribe to our channel. The air fryer memes. According to an article by food magazine Taste of Home, the air fryer is a type of convection oven used for frying and baking using only hot air and no cooking oil. Dutch electronics company Philips invented the appliance. Lisa McManus, executive tasting and testing editor for magazine America's Test Kitchen to NBC News, said that the appliance is fast, easy, and convenient to use, unlike traditional cooking with an oven. As the appliance gained popularity among homes and even in restaurants, memes about the machine emerged on social media. The memes about the air fryer were made during the first implementation of lockdowns, as the COVID-19 pandemic first ravaged the world. The pandemic caused people to stay in their homes, and this is where the air fryer was commonly used for quick cooking. Some of the memes that emerged on social media revolved around social status, joking that you need one if you dream of having an air fryer. Some also made jokes and memes about how to make your experimental recipes using an air fryer. Before you know what recipes that you can do using an air fryer, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get updates and new videos every time. If you want to share your tricks or mind-blowing facts and other quirky things, share them in the comments below. Air fryer recipes. The air fryer is not just an appliance for easy cooking fried chicken, roasted pork belly, heating leftovers, or frying potatoes. In this time of lockdowns and stay-at-home orders, you can make many other experimental recipes in your home. Number 1. Bacon. Bacon is one of the most common breakfast dishes in the world. If bacon was being fried in a traditional way with cooking oil, and if you left it out, it would burn to a crisp. The air fryer can prevent this. According to chef and Cooksmart's founder Jess Dang on Insider, bacon is easier to cook on the appliance because the fat of the bacon drips faster. She added that the air fryer's bacon is cleaner and needs little supervision thanks to the air fryer's timers. 2. Egg rolls. Egg rolls are one of the best Asian dishes that we can cook in our homes. In Asian homes today, air fryers are also becoming a game changer in their cooking methods, as it makes it easier to cook this dish. Why is it easier to cook this dish using the air fryer? Since the egg roll is made from eggs, they have the tendency to soak up a lot of the oil poured into the pan. There are also times when there is an imbalance in the wrapper and the filling, which can affect the egg roll's taste and texture. In the air fryer, the imbalance will be solved, and there is no oil needed to cook the egg roll either. After using the air fryer, you will have a crispy and juicy egg roll with a firm texture, and the filling is excellent. 3. Cooking with bananas. According to Dang, bananas can be a sweet treat when you cook them in an air fryer. Think of all the sweet desserts you can make when you cook bananas using the fryer. You can slice them into thin parts, dip them into melted sugar, and put them on the fryer. You can also do fried bananas on a stick, caramelize the sugar, put the banana in the sugar before cooking, and put it on a stick afterward. You can also think of other desserts using bananas in air fryers. Try it, and you will be surprised. Number 4. Chicken wings. Chicken wings is one of the most common dishes that is cooked using an air fryer. Cooking with the air fryer for chicken wings tastes no differently than cooking using oil. All you need is chicken, salt, black pepper, hot sauce for marinating, butter, Worcestershire sauce, and garlic powder. You can pair it with blue cheese dressing, buffalo sauce, and some veggies you cook using the same fryer. Here is the trick. Pat the chicken wings or any chicken parts dry with a paper towel before breading or seasoning them. Number 5. Brussels sprouts. Who loves Brussels sprouts? These miniature cabbages can be mixed in any dish that is deemed fit for the Brussels sprouts to make them more presentable. Frying these little cabbages seems out of the question at first, but thanks to the air fryer, You can fry it and make it tender yet crispy with little to no oil. You can also put some dressing on it to make your Brussels sprout more delicious, which is perfect for children who have problems eating vegetables and making healthy choices. Number 6. Ravioli. Most ravioli dishes are boiled and then served with sauces so you can dig in immediately. In the air fryer, you can do anything you want, so you can make the ravioli crispy when you put it into the machine. You can also create other ravioli dishes using the air fryer, and you should try one of your experimental ravioli dishes utilizing the air fryer and see for yourself. Number 7. Baked goods. As the air fryer is based on the oven, you can do baking in it too. Wait, for baking? I thought the air fryer is only for frying, as the name suggests. Well, yes and no. Remember the rice cooker? If you are in Asia, you will notice the rice cooker in some homes on the continent. But the rice cooker is not just for rice, but also for cooking soups, sautés, and even baking. Air fryers are also multifunctional. You can bake cookies, lava cakes, and muffins in the air fryer if you want to. Just follow the recipe procedures and don't be an epic failure in the kitchen. Number 8. Pizza. Pizza? Where? In my kitchen. In your kitchen? Yup. In air fryers, you can even make a pizza in an air fryer. You can make your dough or buy one in the nearest store to make a pizza. If you want a frozen pizza, you can just heat it and prepare it in your home. According to Chef Dang, the air fryer has a small cavity that does not need to be preheated. The pizza, she added, will have its cheese bubbled, and the bread will be cooked faster than the oven. Number 9. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best fish that you can eat, especially in some restaurants in your city. Most salmon dishes put some exquisite ingredients in for better presentation. With the air fryer, you can also do an exquisite salmon dish right in your own home. You only need 10 minutes to cook the salmon in the air fryer, and you can get a perfect tender salmon on the inside and a crunchy crust on the outside. After that, you can add all of your desired sauces or spices for a better presentation. Number 10. Steak. It is possible to cook a steak in the air fryer, according to ButcherBox chef Yankel Polak. And now, some people are doing it, especially when the steakhouses are closed during the lockdowns. He advised every air fryer user to rub the steak with olive oil and garnish it with a pinch of salt and pepper before cooking in the appliance. He added that the oil makes a good sear in the steak, and the salt and pepper give a simple flavor so it's not bland. Unlike the other air fryer dishes, you must also flip this dish over to make sure the heat and flavor distribute to all the parts of the steak. What are your good experiences in using the air fryer? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Again, share, hit that like button, and click the notification below to get more updates in this new edition of Brainzone.